Day driver, where you go? I swear my nerves are showing. Set my hopes up way too high. The living's in the way we die. Comes the morning and the headlights fade away. 100,000 people are the one they frame. I've been waiting long for one of us to save the darkness, let it never fade us. Living daylights. Hold on tight now, it's down to the wire. Set your hopes and look too high. The living's in the way we die. Comes the morning and the headlights fade away. 100,000 thinks that everything's the same. I've been waiting long for one of us to save the darkness, let it never fade us. Whoa, living daylights. But your hopes are the way too high, living in the way we die. Well, howdy ho, pluckers. Welcome back to a mammoth session here. This is a real handful, this one. This is Living Daylights by a-ha for my arrangement for a single acoustic guitar. I nearly got it right. There was a few slight fluffs in there, but you got the idea. This is my latest guitar lesson preview that hopefully the lesson will be coming in a couple of days. Okay, I'll break it down and show you exactly how I did it. Okay, so standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as the original soundtrack version from the film of the same name, Living Daylights, James Bond film. Okay, so hopefully I'll see you then. Bye for now.